Hey everyone, today, we're going to test the world of portable speakers, which are essential for both indoor and outdoor recreation. It's not too difficult to locate a reasonably priced model that offers good performance because there are so many models available. Aspiring Blast 3, a speaker with excellent sound quality, a useful appearance, and a long battery life, is one such choice. We'll go over every element of the Aspiring Blast 3 in our review, along with the reasons it differs from the competition. The Aspiring Blast 3 has a sleek appearance with a traditional black body and chic orange inlays. The lack of ostentatious backlighting highlights the minimalist approach, making it ideal for people who like a simpler appearance. The speaker has a sturdy construction made of three materials. Material for coziness and character, plastic for durability and lightweight, and silicone to withstand impacts. This combination guarantees that the speaker is resistant to wear and tear, while still offering a pleasing tactile experience. The speaker is simple to operate thanks to buttons for playback, track switching, power, and volume control that are positioned neatly on the body. To increase its longevity, a rubber plug firmly seals each connection port, including the microSD slot and USB Type-C connector. The Aspiring Blast 3 is dust and water resistant, thanks to its IP65 classification, which makes it perfect for outside use where exposure to the weather is more common. With a weight of only 680 grams, the Blast 3 is lightweight and portable, especially with the strap that comes with it, making it ideal for travel and outdoor activities. The Aspiring Blast 3 has an impressively clean and loud sound for its class. Its performance won't let you down whether you're having a little gathering inside or outside. Stable wireless communication up to 10 meters is guaranteed by the Bluetooth 5.3 connection, which also increases power economy and prolongs battery life. One notable feature is the true wireless stereo capability, which enables you to coordinate numerous speakers and produce a more immersive stereo sound experience. Built-in microphone. Great for hands-free calls, this device is practical for both business and outdoor activities. FM radio receiver. Simply use the speaker to tune into your preferred radio stations without the need for an internet connection. Versatile playback options. In addition to Bluetooth, you can listen to music via USB devices or microSD cards. With a balanced sound throughout high and low frequencies provided by the 220-watt speakers, your music will sound richer and more complex. For a portable speaker of this dimension, the bass response is especially noteworthy, offering a full, rounded sound that complements a variety of musical styles, from classic rock to electronic beats. The speaker's ability to provide clean, distortion-free music even at maximum volume is a credit to the caliber of the electronics and built-in speakers. The music is immersive and constant whether you're listening indoors or outside. With an amazing 18 hours of battery life on a single charge, the Aspiring Blast 3 is an excellent choice for long outdoor adventures or trips where recharging isn't always possible. With its USB Type-C port for quick charging, you can finish charging it in 2 to 3 hours and be ready to go. When looking for a portable speaker that is both inexpensive and performs well, the Aspiring Blast 3 is a great option. It is a leading competitor in the market for inexpensive speakers, thanks to its fashionable appearance, strong build, great sound quality, and extended battery life. It has several capabilities that are usually only found on higher-end versions, like TWS synchronization and multiple playback options, despite its affordable pricing. Please remember to hit the bell for notifications, subscribe to the channel, and like this review if you liked it. Until the next video, have a nice day and God bless you.